बॉलीवुड या हॉलीवुड?
Both.
एक्शन या रोमांस?
Ah, difficult choice. I love action, but of course, I have always been doing romance.
एक ऐसा वर्ड जो आपके फैंस आपको डिस्क्राइब करते हो. One word for your fans used to describe you.
I know all of the fans used to call me rockstar, and they still call me that, and I love that.
Your dream role.
My dream role, oh my god, that's a very intense choice that I have made for myself. I don't know, but Joker, the film Joker, if you have seen it, Joaquin Phoenix ने जो काम किया, that is my dream role.
Wow. First thing you do after waking up.
Recently, I have shifted my house और मेरा थोड़ा सा spiritual zone भी आया है तो the first thing that I do, I get up, I go to my temple and I show my gratitude to my Lord. And मेरी जो balcony है वहाँ से एक हनुमान जी का मंदिर दिखता है. So then these are my things where I go and just thank them for this life as soon as I get up.
Wow. One actor you admire the most.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay. One actress you could love to work with.
Oh, oh, there are many. Uh, I think I would love to work with. Mm, I'll give you two names because, of course, Alia is someone who everybody wants to work with. She is a fantastic actor. Apart from that, I have always loved Radhika Apte. I think she is
Wow.
outstanding, outstanding with her craft, and I would love to work with her someday.
Okay. Camera या stage? क्या ज़्यादा enjoy करते हैं?
Till I was a dancer, stage. Now as an actor, camera.
Favorite movie all time?
All-time favorite movie. There are few, if I can name them. One is The Pursuit of Happiness. I love watching that movie. Joker, as I said, and mm, what is that movie? How can I forget the name? अंदाज अपना अपना.
Wow. And favorite web series जो आप बार बार देखना पसंद करते हैं?
बार बार देखना पसंद करते हैं. मैं यार बहुत बड़ा फ्रेंड एडिक्ट हूँ. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
Oh.
मैं मुझे काउंटिंग भी नहीं पता. मैंने फ्रेंड्स कितनी बार देख लिया. शायद मुझे लगता है 50 बार तो देख लिया होगा और मैं अभी भी देख सकता हूँ.
हाँ ये काफी लोगों का है.
है यार,
बहुत लोग.
मतलब
हाँ.
मेरा तो सच में देयर सम काइंड ऑफ मैजिक इन दैट शो. आप जितने भी परेशान हो आप फ्रेंड्स लगा दो बस, वो हो जाता है कुछ.
One role you wish you had to play.
I had to play
Yep.
like from the roles that has been
Yeah.
done.
हाँ हाँ.
uh, I think I would have loved to play like a Vicky Kaushal in Uri.
Wow.
That would have been my thing.
Villain या hero?
Both.
Fame या privacy?
uh oh. how 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 to describe that? As of now, fame.
Okay. One habit you want to quit. छोड़ना चाहेंगे.
Overthinking. My brain is just always creating stories and I just hate that.
आपकी सबसे बड़ी ताकत. Your strength.
I think my willpower is very strong. I never give up. That is my biggest strength. I don't think anything can break me and I'll say I'm done.
Oh. Your biggest weakness?
My emotions. I'm a very emotional guy and it is my weakness. Of course, it's a strength also, but it is my weakness because मैं बहुत बेवकूफ बन जाता हूँ यार.
Travel destination?
बहुत सारी हैं, but currently I would like to go to Europe because मुझे music festivals बहुत पसंद है, and Europe is the place for that. So yeah,
Beach या mountain?
beach,
Fitness या food?
fitness.
One song currently on your repeat list.
You won't believe it, but मैं बिल्कुल बताता हूँ. It's हनुमान चालीसा. It's not
Wow,
a song.
same. Instagram or YouTube?
Um, Currently for fun Instagram, but I watch a lot of podcasts on YouTube.
Dog or cat?
Dog, of course.
Okay. If you're not actor, what could you be?
A dancer.
One celebrity crush.
One celebrity
हाँ.
crush. Um, back in the days, I had crush on Deepika, and it was very like out there. I used to talk about it. Currently, I am crushing on Kendall Jenner.
Oh. One co-star who make you laugh the most.
Usually, I do that, but I think recently when I worked with Nishi in Anupama,
Hmm.
she used to make me laugh with what she used to do.
One word for your fans.
For my fans,
Yep.
Love.
What scare you the most?
Not being able to follow my passion.
Okay. Red carpet or movie set?
Movie set.
One superpower you could to love to have.
Able to read people's mind.
Last thing you search on Google.
Uh, Last thing I searched on Google. Uh, Flight tickets for Europe.
Okay, one thing people always misunderstood about you.
They think uh, I am some super cool, super rich guy from a super rich family who is blessed and उसने जिंदगी में कभी कोई दुख नहीं देखा है और उसका सब कुछ sorted है. That's a very big misconception in people.
Okay, who know you better, family or friends?
Of course, family.
What's always in your bag?
In my bag?
Yep.
I don't carry a bag, but if I carry a bag, there will always be perfume and a t-shirt, a towel, because I will always carry that when I'm going to play or going to the gym.
Okay, describe yourself in 3 words.
Passionate, emotional, dreamer.
Okay, if you could steal one actor's talent, who could you be?
If I could steal,
हाँ.
रणबीर कपूर. मैं सब कुछ चुरा लूँ साथी का. He is so talented. He is so talented.
One guilty thing you do, जो आपको अभी तक regret है.
Oh, like in life
Yeah,
that
in
I have
life.
done.
Yeah.
अब regret नहीं है, to be very honest. I am somebody who hold regrets for a very long time, but not being able to how do you say it? किसी की उम्मीदों पे खरा अगर मैं नहीं उतर सका, that is something that gives me a lot of guilt. If you have expectation from me, I am not able to, that kind of give me guilt.
Okay, last lie you told.
Last lie?
Hmm.
क्या lie बताऊं या कब क्या बताऊं?
क्या झूठ बोला है लास्ट आपने अब तक?
That I can't meet you because I'm busy.
One app you can't live without.
One app?
हाँ, जिसके बिना आप रह नहीं सकते हो.
Currently तो I think it's Instagram only.
Most embarrassing moment on set.
On set?
हाँ.
I don't know if it is most embarrassing, but recently when I was shooting for the web series Dil Dhoka or Desire, whenever my director used to come and used to do something, you know, कि इसको ऐसे धक्का देना है, ऐसा पकड़ना है, I always used to trip. मैं गिर जाता था. And he used to be like, bro, मैं तो धक्का भी नहीं दिया. I'm like, sorry, मुझे खुद नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है, but I will trip, I will fall कहीं पे भी. And that used to be so embarrassing कि यार मैं इतना भी कमजोर आदमी तो नहीं हूँ कि कोई समझा रहा और मैं गिर जाता हूँ.
अच्छा, लास्ट आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे किसको स्टॉक किया था?
Very smart. I'll tell you the name also.
अच्छा, मतलब किए थे वो, ठीक है. Okay, so lastly, सलमान खान या शाहरुख खान?
Oh my God. Oh, impossible to choose.
ये बॉलीवुड से रिलेटेड है, 2-3 है, हाँ। सलमान या शाहरुख?
Uh, सलमान खान,
रणबीर कपूर या रणबीर सिंह?
रणबीर कपूर.
आलिया भट्ट और दीपिका?
Oh, दीपिका.
Okay, if you could remake one Bollywood film, which one?
With me
Yep,
in it.
yeah.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Okay. लास्ट एक बॉलीवुड डायलॉग्स जो आप यहाँ पे बोलते हुए खत्म करना चाहेंगे, जो आपको ऐसा लगता है वो आपके ऊपर बिल्कुल सेट होता है।
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
सो क्यूट। आपको ये सेगमेंट कैसा लगा? जाते थे अपने फैंस को क्या मैसेज देना?
I love the segment. I love the whole thing. मजा आया. अच्छे सवाल थे. Interesting चीजें थी. And yeah, I had a lot of fun. And to everybody who's watching and all my fans, thank you for all the love. It's because of you that I'm able to still fight and survive, and I'm still going on. So stay there. क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.